Welcome to Alvinsa Studio, where extraordinary design meets unforgettable destinations. Today, we're taking you to Rockbridge, Ohio, for a tour of the Dunlap Hollow A-Frame, a beautifully crafted cabin that's redefining what it means to escape into nature. Combining timeless A-frame architecture with contemporary comforts, this cabin offers the perfect balance of serenity, style, and warmth. Let's step inside this architectural gem in the heart of Ohio, only on Alvinsa Studio. The Dunlap Hollow A-Frame is a custom luxury A-frame completed in 2021. The A-frame sleeps up to 10 guests with 3 bedrooms and a picturesque loft filled with windows that sleeps 4. Tucked away in the heart of Ohio's Hocking Hills region lies a modern architectural gem, the Dunlap Hollow A-Frame, a stunning cabin retreat that blends natural beauty with striking design. Located in Rockbridge, Ohio, this cabin offers guests a luxurious escape into the forest with all the comforts of a high-end getaway. From the moment you approach the A-frame, its dramatic silhouette captures your attention. With sharp angles, a soaring roofline, and massive floor-to-ceiling windows, the structure opens up to breathtaking views of the surrounding woods and cliffs. The sleek black exterior contrasts beautifully with the earthy tones of nature, creating a bold yet inviting presence. Step inside and you're greeted with a warm, light-filled space. The open-concept living area features vaulted ceilings, a cozy fireplace, and curated modern rustic decor that feels both stylish and comfortable. Natural wood, minimalist furnishings, and clean lines define the interior, making it a perfect place to unwind and disconnect. The Dunlap Hollow A-Frame isn't just about aesthetics, it's also designed with practicality in mind. The cabin can comfortably accommodate families or small groups, offering multiple bedrooms, a fully equipped kitchen, and spa-like bathrooms. And outside, guests can enjoy a spacious deck, a fire pit, and direct access to nature trails, making it an ideal all-season escape. Whether you're sipping morning coffee as the forest comes alive or relaxing under the stars by the fire, this cabin offers a peaceful experience that blends luxury with the raw beauty of Ohio's wilderness. Highlights: iconic A-frame architecture with panoramic forest views located in the scenic Hocking Hills region of Rockbridge, Ohio. Elegant modern rustic interior with natural materials, perfect for couples, families. And that brings us to the end of our tour of the Dunlap Hollow A-Frame, a peaceful retreat tucked deep in the woods of Rockbridge, Ohio. If you enjoyed this tour and love discovering beautiful hideaways like this, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more inspiring homes right here on Alvinsa Studio. And don't forget to share this video with friends who dream of cozy cabins and forest escapes. Thanks for watching. This is Alvinsa Studio, where architecture meets adventure. See you in the next video.